Hi everyone. Voice Reader is a text-to-speech extension for Google Chrome that allows you to listen to web pages, articles, and documents. It's a great way to save time and improve your productivity. In this video, I will show you how to install Voice Reader extension in Google Chrome. Open this extension in Google Chrome Web Store. Then add to Chrome. Select the text what you want, then click on icon extension and click on play.
In this video, we will show you how to fix Bing Chat unavailable with your current safe search setting. We will also explain why the setting can affect your ability to access Bing Chat and provide some
Also,
tips
you
for
can zoom
using Bing
text.
Chat safely.
You can customize the Voice Reader settings by clicking on Settings. You can change speed, voice, and volume.
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension that uses text-to-speech technology to convert web page text to audio. It works on In this video, we will show you how to fix Bing Chat unavailable with your current safe search setting. We will also explain.
I hope you found this video helpful.